A very welcome to all of you. Today, we are Team Recruiters. We are here with Campus to Corporate, a webinar series of intangible fundamentals. We are ready to begin. मनुष्य को हमेशा मौका नहीं ढूंढना चाहिए, क्योंकि जो आज है वही सबसे अच्छा मौका है. A very warm welcome to our winning industry specialists, freshers, scholars, attendees of this webinar, Campus to Corporate. क्या ही अगर तारे हमें रोज रोज ना दिखते, बहुत रेयर ही दिखाई पड़ते. आई एम श्योर तब हम जरूर अपने घर की छत पर उनको देखने जाते, पिक्चर्स क्लिक करते और कुछ लोग तो उनकी पूजा करते, शगुन अपशगुन की कहानियां बताते फिरते. पर तारे तो हमेशा हमें रोज दिख जाते हैं. हम जाएं ना जाएं, वे रोज ही टिमटिमाते रहते हैं. शायद इसीलिए वी डोंट केयर. कितने दिन हो गए वी डिड नॉट सी देम. नाइदर वी बॉदर कि आज क्लाउडी स्काई है या आसमान खुला है. इस बात का जिक्र ही क्यों किया यहाँ, आप सबको इस वेबिनार के आखिरी पर पता चल जाएगा. कैंपस टू कॉर्पोरेट यानी कॉलेज लाइफ से प्रोफेशनल लाइफ का सफर. Ever since, it has been a hotly discussed topic and much has been talked about it. Campus जहां स्किल डेवलप की जाती है and corporate वो जगह जहां टैलेंट नर्चर किया जाता है. And here we are going to hash out all the challenges faced by young professionals during this transition period. This is actually a point where all the students have mixed feelings, both of excitement and depression. एक sense of responsibility factor भी है कि कब तक they should remain dependent on their parents, and definitely peer pressure also mounts up. कोई ना कोई friend पढ़ाई में अच्छा है and उसका बढ़िया job लग गया, but mostly students average होते हैं. So this fear of not able to perform is always there. As grown-up adults, what matters is quietness of mind. This is basically the daring hurry in our minds that we miss out on the most important parts of any task. ये dilemma, confusion and fear ही है जो हमें अपना best performance नहीं देने देता. We live in our brains. So why not work upon this aspect and free our heads with the extra burden and pressure? Some good person has rightly said that good thing about future is that it constantly unfolds itself one fold at a time. One thing which I strongly feel is that these are your last years academically. So why not spend more and more time with books, teachers, projects? Keep in touch with the training and placement cells of your institutions. Make a constant habit to check your emails regularly and try to be in meaningful network, because after college we get only live projects जहां friend का project नहीं दिखा सकते, कोई rescue करने नहीं आता, and we have to be in charge of our own lives. Another important aspect about discussing the transition phase is difference between battling and building up. अब अगर करियर को बनाना आप चाहते ही हो, आप लग गए हो, तो you have a choice to name it as a battle, or you can either say that you are building yourself. So you see, everything is about our mindset, that how we perceive things in life. We have to tell ourselves that we have to stick to our principles, no matter how hard it gets. To add more to this, everything happens to you is about the choices you make, and each one of us get equal opportunities but the difference lies in the way we try to utilize our options and have control over our minds. One has to go through life to grow through life. To elaborate more on this point, we have from the industry Sanjay Parashar, who has more than 3 decades of experience working in defense and with the institutions actively involved with training and mentoring of college students. Over to you, Sanjay sir.
Thank you, Molly, and the team recruiters for providing this platform. Welcome to the second session of Intangible Fundamentals. Today we will discuss the journey from campus to corporate. जो सफर की शुरुआत करते हैं वो ही मंजिल को पार करते हैं. एक बार चलने का हौसला रखो, मुसाफिर का तो रास्ते भी इंतजार करते हैं. So dear friends, let's start with certain tips for cracking campus recruitment. Research in the field of student employability has discovered that most recruiters feel that a vast majority of fresh college graduates are not employable. Upon being asked, different recruiters will define employability from different perspectives. To one, it may be important to hire someone who gets the job done without needing supervision. To another, an employee who shows drive and hunger may be a more appropriate candidate. A third may say that their company is like a fast-moving car and the ideal candidate is the spare tire that can be installed quickly in case of a tire blowout. We can thereby imply that employers do not have a common framework for defining an employable job candidate. So here are few tips to ensure that you stand out in the crowd and can portray yourselves as an employable candidate. First point which I would like to suggest you all, that update yourself according to the industry needs. Perhaps the most important aspect of being employable is to stay updated with your preferred industry. With the advent of technology, the pace of change in almost every industry has increased. There are significant new trends and opportunities that are created in every industry, and staying updated with them is a great way to stay relevant in the job market. Constantly updating oneself with industry tidings can assist in the identification of job roles and companies where you can apply for job prospects. Second point that I would like to suggest, that work experience and internship will create a great difference in your career building. Work experience is an efficient means to showcase to a potential recruiter both technical and practical skills. A student with previous work experience, when compared to a student with no work experience, is more likely to adapt to a full-time job better. As a result, recruiters prefer hiring students who have taken up internship in the past, as certain skills can only be amassed through a practical job experience and not through formal education. The experience not only attests to the candidate's ability, but organizations also have to spend less time training them for these particular skills. Therefore, internships are a great step before entering any industry, as they are a path to exploring new industries and identifying their job preferences. Third, very important point, soft skills. That is the determinator for employability. Soft skills like communication skills, leadership skills, problem solving skills, interpersonal skills, etc. are touted as highly essential by employers in the potential employees. Soft skills are the necessary distinction between an adequate candidate and an ideal candidate. They are a doorway to your personality as well as an indication of how you would fit into the organization. Recruiters are always on the lookout for employees who fit into the environment of the company and can work well with a team. Such skills can be developed through personality development courses or participating in extracurricular activities like debates, MUNs, research projects, etc. And the fourth point, that is expand your skill set. With the constant changes that keep arising in every industry, there are new skills that are demanded by organizations at any given point of time. For example, certain courses did not hold as much as value as they do now. Therefore, it is important to keep learning and updating your skill sets with new courses relevant to your industry to stand out from the crowd. Formal curriculums in schools and colleges are turning archaic and can take a long time to evolve their curriculum so as to make students ready for the present need of the industry. Students therefore need to seek such skills that can broaden their horizons through part-time courses in specialized institutions. So nowadays, job hunting has always been challenging, and especially for freshers. The uncertainty of finding a job without experience seems tricky as you may not know where to start. So if you are preparing for campus recruitments, learn the tips and tricks for placement preparation to get your job first. Here are few things which I would like to narrate that will impress your interviewers in the campus recruitment process. The first thing, that is dress to impress. How you dress the present yourself is crucial in an interview, and campus recruitments are no exception to this. So before you face the interview, add finding a formal attire for yourself to your list of placement preparation checklist. Choose something formal that is comfortable and makes you feel confident. Keeping the attire minimalistic and professional is the key. Next is speak with body language. Did you know that people make a solid first impression in less than a minute? And as there is no second chance to make a first impression, we suggest you do it well in the first go. So as you prepare for campus recruitments, practice maintaining a positive body language. Start with a firm handshake, followed by maintaining good eye contact and a strong body postures. A smile goes beyond a mile, so remember to smile with grace as you get through your interview. Next is work on your communication skills. It is the one advice everyone will give you before you interview, and rightly so. Placement preparation can be tricky, but you can get through them with a strong communication skills. Talking with confidence is the key to making a good impression, and the best way to do that is to make list of talking points to be discussed in the interview. Don't hesitate in speaking in Hindi too. If you are not able to express it in English, switch over immediately to Hindi, and as soon as you are comfortable, switch to English again. And the next is organize all the documents in your folders. Yes, it may seem like a trivial detail, but arranging all documents in one place and order can work wonders. The documents include your resume, mark sheet, college certificate, cover letter, school certificates, and any other document requested by the company. As soon as it is required by the company officials, you can immediately check it out and give it to him. And the next thing which I would like to suggest, very important, that get enough sleep. It is one of the things that people forget to do when stressing over campus recruitments. Getting some sound sleep before the big day is always a good idea, as it will help you stay relaxed and boost your ability to focus. So dear friends, with all these hacked up your sleeves, we are sure you will be able to get ahead in your placement preparation and ace campus recruitments like a pro. So today is difficult, tomorrow is much more difficult, the day after tomorrow is very beautiful, but most die tomorrow evening. So dear friends, all the best for your further career enhancements. Thank you very much.